Good afternoon, my name is Sir Con. I'm going to perform oral medication. First is I'm going to perform hand hygiene.
First things first is to perform hand hygiene.
Next, I'm going to prepare medication during the 10 rounds or drug administration.
And to last the right of my organisms.
Next is I'm going.
Afterwards,
I'm going to prepare all the materials needed.
and make sure to adhere to the 10 rights of drug administration.
Next is I'm going to identify the patient using the two identifiers.
Those right
So, sir, my name, sir, and your birthday.
Right
Next,
application,
I'm
right
going
refuse,
to
right to refuse,
explain
then
the
right
purpose
information
and
or
the procedures, sir.
education, and right drug
The procedures is
interaction.
I'm going to give you
And afterwards is to prepare all the equipment
vitamin C,
needed,
sir.
such
This
as
is
medication,
to boost your immune
whether it's
system.
fluid, sterile liquid, and
Next
as well as
is
the water.
I'm going
This is to ensure that all drinks are accessible and
first,
useful for
I'm
all.
going to assist
Then
the patient in a
afterwards,
semi-polar
to
position
identify
or
the
sitting.
patient using the two patient identifiers, the name
Next
and the
is
birthday, and as well as
going
the
to
social
verify
information,
any
and check the
allergies
response.
in the
Payments, I am your
medication
service
record.
for today. I am Princess,
So,
and may I ask your name and your birthday?
Next is I'm going to wear gloves
Alright, then you can check your wristband.
if
Next
oral
is to
suppression.
explain the purpose of the oral medication
Wala, sir.
and as well as the
So
medication
next
itself.
is I'm going
So for the
to open the medication and put it in the patient's palm.
I'm gonna be giving you an Enervon that is a multivitamins, and this is to ensure.
Next is to
enhance your metabolism.
instruct the patient to put the medication in the mouth and follow
Then
up
next is
good
to
amount of
verify
water.
whether our patient is allergic with the certain medication that we're gonna be giving, and check our medication record. Then, since our patient is not allergic to a specific medication, then we can
Next
proceed.
is
The next is to
stay with the patient until the medications are taken to ensure that the medications are taken. You may check the patient's mouth or you may ask
Then
if
afterwards is
the patient already taken it.
open the medication.
So next is give liquid medication
Afterwards, before
after
placing
the
it on
medication
your
pills.
patient's hand, make sure that your patient's hand has been sanitized, and you can also put it in a medicine cup.
Next is
And
to
then water as well.
next is position the patient in a comfortable way and rise the rails of the bed.
Then assess.
Next is
Then instruct your patient to
next
put it
is
on your patient's
to
mouth.
recommend
Then
the
mouth.
administration.
Then remain to the
Recommend the
patient's side
administration
until it is
in the medical
remain
record.
at your patient's side. Then check them out if there is any
If the
questions,
patient
whether
doesn't drink the
medication is
medication,
swallowed. Okay?
do not leave the medication in the
Next
table.
is fluid
Next is
any, but since we don't have any, then proceed to the next. So next is
discard all the
to
equipment
our
that you
patient
use.
in a comfortable position. So since our patient is in a comfortable position, then proceed.
And
The
next is perform hand hygiene.
Next is make sure that the call light is within the reach of our patient. In case
Perform hand hygiene and
then
document
if
the-
sign fails, so our bed,
document the administration
Then
medical
afterwards,
record
to
and assist the
discard
patient
all
in
of the equipments or
the medication.
And take note that if our
30 to
patient
60
refuses
minutes
to
after.
take the medicine, then do not force your patient to
So,
do so. And also, if the medication is open, then flush it
You
in
almost
the
like
toilet
perfect, but
or
you forgot to
anywhere
verify
that
your
is not
patient
within the
allergy.
reach of your patient. Afterwards is to remove the gloves.